Hello friends, in this video we intend to explore the copy trading section in the OctaFX Broker together. In this section, you can copy the trades of professional traders without needing advanced knowledge or market analysis yourself. You select the copy trading option from this section and enter the related page. In this section, you will see the filter and sorting settings related to the master rating. You can filter traders based on their risk score, duration of activity, minimum investment, and minimum skill level. And the free 7-day trial option is recommended for free viewing. In this section, you have the option to search for traders by their username. If you have a bad opinion about a trader, you can search for them from this section. In this section, you will find a list of traders. You will see the main information about the traders, including their username. In this section, you will see the risk score or skill level. In the next section, you will see the profit of the traders. In this section, you will see the profit and loss in dollars. In the copiers section, you will see the number of people who copied the trades of these traders. In the last section, you can see the percentage of profit that traders receive from the copiers. This page provides a tool for selecting the best trader according to your copy trading strategies so that you can earn more profit automatically. By selecting this trader, you will copy their trades into your trading account. As you can see in this section, the strategy details are provided, indicating that the trader has over 8 years of experience focusing on sustainable profits and risk management. In this section, you can see the total capital, the percentage of the commission that the trader receives, and the duration of their activity in the system. And in the account details section, you will see details about this trader's account, including current profit or loss, and what does the trader's account balance look like. By clicking the Setup Copying option, we start copying their trades. Please note that the minimum capital required for copying is $32. In this section, you will be informed that to perform copy trading, you need to set up your copy trading account. We click on the deposit option, and if you want to fund your account using an electronic wallet, you can use these options. If you prefer to transfer the amount from your trading account within the OctaFX Broker, you select the internal transfer option. We enter the Octa PIN and click on the request button. And in this section, you confirm the internal transfer request. You click on the request option, and as you can see in this section, the details related to your internal transfer have been recorded. After transferring the amount to the copy trading wallet, we return to the copy trading page. And as you can see, an amount of $25 has been transferred to your wallet in the copy trading section. We will go through the steps related to copy trading again and click on the Setup Copying option. This step is for the final settings before starting to copy the trades of this trader. In this section, it shows the balance of our wallet. In the copy proportion section, you set the ratio of the copy volume you desire. The first part is copying with the same trading volume as the original trader. In the second part, it's double the trading volume of the main trader. And in this section, it's 3 times the trading volume of the main trader. And from the custom section, we have the option to manually adjust the ratio for copying trades. In this section, there is also an option to increase capital for protection. You can activate this option to protect your trades against unexpected market fluctuations if you wish. We click on Start Copying. Right now, we are copying the trades of this trader. We click on the Manage Copying option. In this section, you will see the details of the copy trading, which shows the amount of $3 currently in your Polo wallet. And in this section, you will see the equity, the amount of capital involved in copying the trades. In this section, your copy ratio is equal, and as you can see, profit, floating profit, profit rate, commission. And the risk score is recorded in this section. And in this section, you will see that you are able to add more capital from the first section. And in the second section, you can reduce capital. In the section where you record the change in the ratio of copying trades. You can do this. And in the fourth part, the copying will be stopped. And in the master performance section, you can observe the performance of the main trader. You stop this by using the stop copying option, which will open a window for you that announces, "Are you sure you want to stop copying the trades?" You will select the stop copying option. As you can see on this page, you are informed that the amount of $32 will be returned to your son, and in the second part, you will be asked to stop. Please announce the stopping of copying trades. Click on this option and select the feedback form. That was an explanation about the copy trading section of the OctaFX Broker. Keep in mind that copying another trader's trades doesn't necessarily mean that the trades will always be profitable. Wishing you success profitability.